Hello, everyone, and welcome to Light Street Creations. My name is Rich, and I want to get into it. Two things that you should probably do if you double book your craft shows. Basically, what double booking means is that you pay a booth fee for two craft shows at the same day, and you can only attend one of them. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to contact the event coordinator of the show that you're not going to be at. You want to contact them as soon as possible. And the reason why I say that is because they probably have a wait list of people that want to get in on the show. So if you do a no call, no show, and that spot stays open, you're probably going to get blacklisted from the actual event coordinator, and they're not going to want to see you back because you let a spot open that could have been filled by somebody else. Number two, you want to take a look at your calendar and make sure that you're not double booked again, because the money that you shell out for your booth fee, that's money that's lost. So whenever you double book or triple book or whatever it is that you do, you want to make sure that you don't do that again, because you lose that booth fee. And I did want to talk a little bit about which show you should do. That is completely up to you. I chose the one that I committed to first. That's the show that I'm going to do, is the one that I committed to first. Now, you might have one of them is better advertised, or they're expecting more foot traffic, or you paid more for the booth. There's a list of reasons as to why you choose one over the other, but make sure you let the event coordinator know as soon as possible. I chose to be honest, and when I told him that I double booked, he had some other cancellations, so he kind of took it out on me a little bit, and I apologized again and kind of smoothed things over. But he was a little upset with me, which is fine. But I do have shows lined up with him in the future, and he was very understanding after we talked about it a little bit. And I have, I think, 5 more shows with that particular event coordinator. So that is it. I hope you enjoy the video. That's all I wanted to talk about, is being double booked. Don't make that mistake. Don't do what I did, because I am out the money for the booth fee. So that is it. Thanks for watching. And how do I turn this thing off?